Hi! Today we're going to be looking at my very first Pink Soul box. This box is a November-December box. It comes every 2 months, so you would get shipments. January, February would be one box, etc., etc. So I'm getting the November-December box. What I like about this box coming into it is the customization options. Not only is there 3 different levels of boxes, so this is the mid-range. I didn't get the Pink Soul Plus because I'm not over 35. And there's also a smaller or cheaper box that comes monthly that's all masks, which I don't need that either. And then once you pick the frequency and the level of box, then you get to pick your skin type, your skin color, and what you're focusing on. Do you want to experiment? Are you preventing wrinkles? Are you working on acne? So on and so forth. I really, really like the customization aspect. It should be basically just full-size products. So let's see what we're getting into. This is the mailer it comes in. Oh, it's a cute little box. Very cute. A little bit dinged. So we'll see if everything survived. It doesn't feel like anything's broken, thank goodness. Oh. Hello, beautiful. Enjoy discovering K-Beauty with Pink Soul, which I think is a very, very sweet touch. It says when you buy it that your first box will contain some routine basics, skincare routine steps, and steps that are the extra steps, because you don't do all of the steps every day. So this is really nice. This is the insert for this month's box. So let's dive right in. All right. We got an icing, sweet bar, sheet mask. We've got a 3-step mask with a cleanser, an ampule, and a sheet mask. A cleansing foam by Etude House. This looks like a trial size product, but let's see how it goes. Dualism brown pencil by Hamish. Let's see what color we are. I have dark, dark, dark brown hair. So this is natural brown. That should work just fine for me. So, minor confession, I did have to do several takes for this box, and the first time I opened it, this cap was off of this. Nothing spilled though because it had foil. So thank goodness, otherwise everything would have been saturated with mung bean deep cleansing foam. So I got 2 cleansers, which is fine. Cleansers are the one item that I use consistently. Cleansers and toners and moisturizers I use every day. Twice a day. But I do like having a variety of cleansers. I usually use one in the morning, one at night. Cacao Moist and Mild Toner. I've gotten this brand and this line in another box, but not the toner. Cacao Moist and Mild Serum, and Farm Stay Snail Repair Eye Cream. Okay, so that's the whole box. Let's look at the insert. So, the accessory item is the Hamish Dualism Eyebrow Pencil and the Etude House Cleanser. So those are extra items in addition to my 4 full-size products. So the Welco's Kaiwalanara Cereals Deep Cleanser. You receive one based on your skin type, and I got Mung Bean, which is to detoxify and brighten the skin tone, helps with pores and soothe skin, and it gives you instructions. The Cacao Moist and Mild Serum. The cacao, wait no, this is the serum. This is the toner. And this is the eye cream. And then 2 mask products select based on your skin type and the area of focus. So for me, it would be pores, followed by some acne. I haven't had any since I started the Korean beauty regimens consistently, my acne has gone way down. And then to a lesser extent, aging. I'm not super concerned about aging right now. But so I'm gonna say, wow, I really like this box. I like the products. It's everything that I would use. It's brands that I either like or I know are really good brands. And I also like it, Tweed House. I just haven't used it extensively. But I do love Farmstay. And I like Hamish. I really like the variety of the large items. I pretty much got almost everything for an entire 2 months of skincare. I will say it came fairly quickly. I ordered this box on the 3rd of October and it's here on the 29th, so that's pretty good. It is a good value, so it's $39.95 every other month for full-size products. I like the frequency as well. Every other month means that you're not going to be inundated with too many full-size products. But also, it's not just a grab bag of things that you should try. It's more along the lines of keeping you stocked so that you can do your routine consistently, as well as try new products over time. So I do like that. This is a nice, inexpensive, but long-term way to invest in your skincare and to try out some Korean beauty products. So I'm really interested in that. So I am going to stick with this box. I really like it. So basically, we will be reviewing the January-February box. And as always, guys, if you have any boxes that you know of that I haven't heard of or that you want me to review, please leave it in the comments. And please like, subscribe. Let me know what you think.